Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that can make a huge difference in your writing sentence length. Whether you're preparing for your ICC exams or just want to become a better writer, understanding how and why to vary your sentence length will help you create more engaging and effective writing. Let's get into it. Why is sentence length important? Well, varying the length of your sentences creates rhythm in your writing, helps control pacing, and keeps your reader engaged. Imagine reading a story or an essay where every sentence is the same length. It would feel flat and monotonous. By mixing up short, punchy sentences with longer, more detailed ones, you can make your writing flow better and sound more natural. Let's start with short sentences. These are great for emphasis and delivering key points with clarity and impact. Short sentences can be used to make important ideas stand out and create a dramatic effect. Example: she was ready. Here, the sentence is short, direct, and to the point. It grabs the reader's attention. When used after longer sentences, short sentences can also act as a pause or break, giving the reader time to absorb what's been said. On the other hand, longer sentences are perfect for adding detail, explaining complex ideas, or showing connections between different thoughts. A long sentence can help your reader visualize a scene or follow a more intricate argument. Example: she was ready even though she knew the task ahead would be difficult and tiring, and despite the doubts that lingered in her mind, she took a deep breath and stepped forward into the unknown. This longer sentence paints a more complete picture. It's full of detail, and it feels more flowing and descriptive than a short sentence. But be careful. If you use too many long sentences in a row, your writing might become confusing or hard to follow. Mixing short and long sentences for rhythm. The magic happens when you mix short and long sentences together. This creates a natural rhythm in your writing, making it more enjoyable to read. It's kind of like music. If every note were the same length, it wouldn't be very interesting, would it? For example, the storm raged outside, pounding against the windows with furious winds and sheets of rain. She stood still, listening. Silence followed. Notice how we started with a long, detailed sentence that builds tension, followed by a shorter, more impactful one. She stood still, listening. Then the final sentence, silence followed, is even shorter. This creates a sense of resolution and finality, giving the writing a sense of balance. Controlling pace with sentence length. Another reason to vary your sentence length is to control the pacing of your writing. Longer sentences tend to slow the reader down, making them take their time and pay attention to details. Short sentences, on the other hand, can speed up the action or highlight important moments. For instance, he ran. The footsteps behind him grew louder. He turned a corner, gasping for air. See how the short sentences here create a fast-paced, tense scene? They're quick and sharp, mimicking the urgency of the moment. If we had used long, drawn-out sentences, the sense of urgency would have been lost. Avoiding repetition and monotony. Using the same sentence length over and over can make your writing feel repetitive or boring. Let's look at an example of what happens when you don't vary sentence length. The sun was shining, the birds were singing, the grass was green, the breeze was gentle. Each of these sentences is roughly the same length and structure, which makes the writing feel flat and uninspiring. Now, let's see how varying the sentence length improves it. The sun was shining, and birds sang in the trees. A gentle breeze blew across the green grass. Everything felt calm and peaceful. By mixing shorter and longer sentences, the writing feels more dynamic and natural. It helps hold the reader's attention and creates a more vivid picture. Using sentence variety in exam writing. So how does this help you in exams? Well, if you're taking the IGCSE EFL exam, for example, the examiners are looking for students who can show control over their writing. By varying your sentence length, you demonstrate that you understand how to create effective writing that flows well and keeps the reader engaged. This can lead to higher marks, especially for structure and coherence. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Short sentences are great for impact and clarity. Long sentences help you add detail and create flow. Mixing sentence lengths creates rhythm and balance. Sentence variety helps you control the pace of your writing. Avoid monotony by using a mix of short and long sentences. Now for your challenge. Take a paragraph you've written and see if you can vary the sentence lengths. Share your revised paragraph in the comments and let's see how this technique transforms your writing. That's it for today's lesson. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more writing tips. Have any questions or topics you want me to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy writing and good luck with your exams.